Do you need to replace the CMOS battery on your Precision 3561? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Then use a plastic scribe and/or your fingers to pry apart the bottom base cover. Then disconnect the battery. Now unscrew and remove it. I recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Now unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi bracket. Then disconnect the antenna cables and slide out the Wi-Fi card. Now if you have a 2.5 SATA hard drive, just disconnect it, unscrew it, and then remove it. Or if you have a hard drive slot filler, just unscrew and remove it. Now unscrew and remove the inner frame. Now disconnect and remove the CMOS battery. The reassembly. Now the reassembly is as simple as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.